Brenner-Fiedler and Associates is a leading automation and pneumatic solutions provider offering services to companies to improve technology, efficiency, quality, and safety while reducing waste, cost, and risk. Brenner-Fiedler's goal is to be an extension of our customers' team. Located in Riverside, California, we have worked with a wide range of industries including food and beverage, packaging, medical, aerospace, oil and gas, winery and brewery, textiles, and transportation. Brenner-Fiedler builds futures through automation by staying on the cutting edge of the manufacturing industry. We offer a full spectrum of robot automation systems with diverse applications, including packaging, assembly, palletizing, material handling, and other value-add services. We supply electrical, pneumatic, and automation control products like vacuum pumps, cylinders, valves, compressors, filter assemblies, nitrogen generators, tank systems, PLCs, HMI programming, enclosures, sensors, and is a UL 508A panel shop. In business since 1948, Brenner-Fiedler operates in a 28,000 square foot facility with 40 employees. We are a growing company with many potential employment opportunities like machinists, welders, painters, product specialists, production assembly techs, and electrical panel assembly techs. Brenner-Fiedler is always looking for those looking to succeed in a fast-paced team environment in the manufacturing industry.